Hey, Freehandly Maid here. I wanted to make a quick announcement while I was out and about, sitting in a parking lot eating my lunch. I am going to be starting a new content section on my playlist called Hand Stitch Quilting, and I'm very excited about it. I've never gotten to hand stitch quilt or even sew by machine before. The only kind of hand stitching I've done was placing ribbon on ballet shoes, and of course, as you all know, I fixed Cabbage Patch Kid soft sculpture kids, so like I repair toes, ankles, knees, elbows, reattach arms, all that. That's different than making blankets, so stay tuned. Part of my order is ready to be picked up today. It's my quilting supplies from the store that I bought them from, and I won't be able to get started right away though, because two of the fabrics that I want, I had to order through Etsy, and it says it's supposed to be here by the 15th, but we all know how our poor postal workers have been, as far as being completely backed up on shipping because of all the packages from the Christmas holiday. So I'm not quite sure it's going to be here right on the 15th, but just keep an eye out. If you subscribe to my channel, then you'll get a notification of every time that I post content in that section. I'm very excited. Y'all give me positive vibes and well wishes. I hope my first quilt turns out good. My first quilt is going to be a baby rag quilt for my granddaughter. I'm very excited about it, so stay tuned. Before I sign off, you've got to see this beautiful view that I'm looking at. Let me put my camera up here. Look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? That be the Rocky Mountains, peeps. In the Bitterroot Valley of Montana. Gorgeous. It's cold, but it's pretty. Anyway, y'all have a good Sunday, and we'll see you soon. Bye.